Hello, my name is David. I go to Trinity School. I'm going to junior year, and my starter project is a mini electric piano. So how it works is when you touch any of these keys, in a sense, creates a current to this AVR microcontroller, which then sends a current to the speaker, which plays a note depending on which key was pressed. Other parts is this potentiometer here can alter the pitch of the sound, and the button communicates to the AVR microcontroller to play a set tune. So some of the components of the mini electric piano are the resistors, for example. Like, for example, these resistors here are 2 mega ohm resistors. And what they do is they basically limit the current that goes through the circuit, and depending on the resistance, which is in ohms, measured in ohms, it basically sets the current that goes to an exact amount to go through the circuit. Here we have capacitors. It's 0.1 nanofarad, and basically what they do is they store energy in the circuit. And here we have some LEDs. What they're light emitting diodes. Basically, when current goes through them in a certain direction, they light up, and they only let the current go through in that one direction. They don't let current go through in the other direction. Here we have a speaker. So when current goes through this speaker, basically it makes the cones in the speaker vibrate at a certain frequency, and that creates sound waves, and we get the sound from the sound. The potentiometer right here, it's basically a resistor that can be changed depending on where you set the knob. You can set different resistance in the circuit. And this most important part, the AVR microcontroller, basically has the code for basically how the circuit is run. So one issue I had while I was soldering was that at one point I accidentally damaged the circuit between the 2 batteries, so thus the circuit wasn't running. And once I realized this, I need to find a way to basically create a connection between the 2 batteries. So basically I soldered a new wire suspended above the PCB to connect the 2 points.